truck. Okay, now welcome back to Ronito Challenges, and we have another unboxing. So let's go. This puzzle is a 10 puzzle unboxing, and it has some words that I don't care about, and it has some puzzles. Not some puzzles. Here's 10 puzzles that were that are gonna be inside the box, and we're gonna unbox. So it's the 2x2 Ivy cube, skewb, 3x3, whatever this puzzle is. Comment down below which puzzle do you think it is. And mirror cube, Pyraminx, 4x4, and 5x5, and the Megaminx.
No.
Let's get right in.
I won't open.
This day. Welcome to Rivaldo. And hey, give it to me, Rivaldo. You're acting like a dog.
No. Don't touch it. Inga pannu.
Welcome back to Ronito. Alright. Okay, and now let's open it, and it's quite hard to open it. So just need to stick my finger in there. Okay, now let's unbox. Okay, then now.
Oh, Bob.
Bob. There's a handle there for, I guess, taking him to an airport and going somewhere else. And here's the cube. Let's get all the cubes out first. Okay. This cube
It's mine.
you can see it through here. Ronito, you almost scissored me. Okay, good job. And now let's start with the basics. And let me find it first.
Can open.
Yeah, here. Okay, now here is the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. And now
Rubik.
So how do I open this? Start with the basics, which is the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. So, I'm sorry. So sorry for that, guys. And now, slowly unbox the 3x3. There's even instructions how to solve the puzzle. And I think it's in all of them. So, just put that away. So, and now, here's the, there you go. And here's the 3x3. The pieces are so loose. They're probably really strong magnets in here. Oh. It's so lighter than the original 3x3 that I have, the bad quality one. So, yeah, they can taste more tight, and when I'm trying to pull it out, it actually is quite tight than I thought it would be. It's written in Chinese. And was this written by China? Okay, now. Okay. The white side turned way more better than this side. See? You can do like 3 moves in like a second. With the 3x3, put that away. Okay, there you go. There we go. Now on to the next puzzle, which is the 2x2. So yeah. So I guess I'll just take this corner out. Yeah, there you go. And now, yeah, this is what it does. Another instructions. And now, here is the. What? It's not coming out. What? And go. Whoa. Sorry for that, guys. Okay, and now, and it's so oily. It's like it's been dumped by water. And okay. It's like the exact same of all the cubes. It feels loose, but it's actually pretty tight. As you can see. And the turning is way better than 3x3. And I can do like a 1.5 turn in the white side. I think it's for all the the basic puzzles through 2x2 to 5x5. So yeah. Now on to the next puzzle, basic puzzle. Where's the puzzle that I'm looking for? Not this puzzle. Yes, this puzzle. And now let's unbox it slowly. Yeah, it's this one side. And now here's the skewb. This is written in Chinese. How am I gonna read this? Okay, and now skewb. Can't even turn it. Are you kidding me? I can't even turn it. Are you kidding me? What in the world? How does turning work even? And how do you know moves? What? This is like the most ridiculous puzzle in this list. You can't turn it like this. You have to turn it diagonal. Like this puzzle where you turn it horizontal and vertical. This puzzle can be only turned horizontally. Wait, not horizontally. Diagonally. And that's what makes this puzzle confusing. And the turning mechanism is good, just that it's hard to turn. Hard? If you know it's not hard, baby. Okay, and now skewb is one of the weirdest puzzles, but I'm not gonna explain why. So let's move on to the next puzzle. Now, can you okay, let's put this here so I don't get confused again. And I found it good. And now the 4x4. It's not this side. Definitely not this side. It's this side. Go up. Okay, now And now I managed to get it open. Wait. The editor opened it. So that's just one fact. And now the 4x4. Okay. Now the 4x4. Wait. This is the 4x4. Now looks like a 5x5. By the way. Okay. Now just get in position. Okay. And now the stickers look quite bad. These white stains on them. This hair. I mean these white hairs and dust on them makes the sticker quality very bad, but the turning quality good. But these turns are more better than these turns, as it's my hand size. And these stickers, why didn't they put it in the middle? Just they cut it out and just put it on each sticker in the corner. Okay. It's like one of the hardest puzzles to solve for me. So into this. Yeah, perfect. Okay, and now next the ivy cube. So let me just get this open. This one open. So there we go. And I opened the ivy cube box. Hooray! Hey editor, put confetti over me. Okay, and now wait, it's here. Okay, and now the ivy cube. Again, the weird puzzles like the skewb. The ivy cube turns horizontally, just like I told you of the skewb. Then turn horizontally like the other cubes, but the turning quality is good. I wasn't expecting this, but they put it in the corner. They should have put it here. And there's nothing else to talk about. Sticker quality. The sticker quality. Wait. Just double checking to see if they're all stickerless. So, cut that out editor. Okay, and now. Well then, okay. And now, this cube. So I guess I'll just. Really? Okay. Like, subscribe. Hit the notification bell.